Oh man, where is that tractor? Did we lose it again? Cletus? Where is it? Well, partner, I reckon it ain't lost. It's stolen.
Satellite tracking.
Our satellite tracking units can track mobile assets like tractors, containers, and/or any other movable assets. They come with their own batteries, provide 12 different location statuses in real time, and are easy to install.
Well, how'd that? That's exactly what we need.
Yeah, great timing, man. Well, this thing from a cord, partner, that's what I'm talking about.